welcome. We're here at the Carliner booth, SEMA 2021. We want to do a little demonstration on EVO. So if we come over here, this is going to be our EVO fixtures. Basically what we got here is our tower, lock, screw, and a collar. Okay, these are going to be the 4 essential pieces when we do any kind of EVO, whether it be EVO 1, 2, or 3. We're also going to have our track plate that's going to allow us to go up and down the track, side to side. This is what it's going to look like here whenever you're finished building it. From there, we can add on any accessories that we're going to need to add for additional anchoring. So for a quick example, this would be for anchoring on a cradle, maybe a frame rail, other things like that. We're going to also have additional support for our larger towers. It's going to be our lock here. Very easy to set up, simple. This will allow us to either push or pull. From there, we're going to grab whatever the cradle bolt may be. We'll fit it with the size of our coupling. Place it there. Quick anchor. Okay, let's go over to our board over here. This is our magnetic shadow board where it's going to list all the parts. It's going to have all of our part numbers. Keeps very organized. And that's EVO. Feel free to come and see us at our SEMA booth at the South Hall.